Hey everyone, welcome back to Mayankal. Today, let's talk about something super exciting. How to develop an app like Crunchyroll, the famous anime streaming platform. If you love anime, you already know how smooth Crunchyroll is. From watching the latest episodes to having subtitles, watch lists, and even offline downloads. But how is an app like that actually built? Let me break it down in simple words. First, you decide the main features: user accounts, HD video streaming, subtitles in multiple languages, favorites and watch list, in-app payments and subscriptions, push notifications, admin dashboard for uploading and managing content. Once your features are ready, it's time to choose the tech stack. For the front end, React Native is a great choice since it works on both Android and iOS. For the backend, we can use Node.js with MongoDB or Firebase to manage users and content. For video streaming, you'll need a powerful hosting solution like AWS CloudFront, Cloudflare Stream, or Vimeo OTT. These platforms support fast and secure video delivery worldwide, including India, UAE, and the US. Now let's talk about cost, the most asked question. If you go with a basic MVP, minimum viable product version, the development cost starts around $2,000 to $5,000. For a full-featured app like Crunchyroll, with advanced video CDN, multiple languages, payment gateway, offline viewing, and a custom admin panel, the cost can go up to $10,000 to $30,000 or more, depending on design, team size, and back-end scale. This cost may vary based on the developer's location. For example, developers in India may charge less than those in the UAE or the US, but the quality can still be world-class. Also, don't forget licensing costs if you want to stream real anime or any copyrighted content. Those are separate and negotiated with content owners. So to sum it up, yes, building a Crunchyroll-style app is 100% possible. You just need the right tech, smart planning, legal content, and a solid team. If you want a full breakdown, or even want me and my team to build it for you, comment below or reach out via the links in the description. Thanks for watching Mayankal. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech breakdowns like this. See you in the next video.